Okay, so we have lab 4 with the heart, and I'm going to show you how to prepare a heart. I usually get a lot of mileage out of the hearts. They really shouldn't need to be discarded every semester. You can use them for quite a few semesters. So mostly we'll be using hearts that have already been prepared. And you want to get the orientation of the heart first. So this is going to be the ventral side, and we can tell because the interventricular sulcus is oblique, running across the ventral side, and we have the pulmonary trunk up here, and then this is the dorsal side. Here you can see the interventricular sulcus is pretty much cranial caudal. Not very much of the pericardium has been left. There's a little bit of it here, but not a lot. And what we're going to try to do is do a coronal cut through the heart so that we separate it into ventral and dorsal halves. And we're going to use a very large implement here to do that, and you want to be kind of careful not to hurt yourself. Okay, so I've rotated this. We start at the apex, and we're going to try to work in carefully without taking my fingers off. It turns out they'll come in handy at some point probably. And you want to try to come up into the two atria with this cut. So you want to position yourself. You need to be able to see the dorsal half of the atrium. So make some progress here. Looks like we're going okay. Okay, I think we're done okay. Okay. And that's pretty about right. So always point out to them they can tell the difference between left and right ventricular walls because of the thickness. Left is much thicker than the right. We can see the aorta here. We can see the bicuspid valve, tricuspid valve in between the right atrium and right ventricle. Moderator band will be over here on the ventral side of the heart in the right ventricle only. We've got the chordae tendineae, papillary muscles. You can see I usually describe them as looking sort of like a pimple. And here's a good example right here with the chordae tendineae coming to it. That's pretty much the preparation of the heart. And then you just want to go through and show them the various structures in lab. So that's a fairly simple and short dissection.